Creating personalised products from wood is a great hobby, but it can also make you money. You can sell handcrafted products on eBay, Etsy, or open your very own online shop. And you can do all of this even if you have no previous experience at creating anything with wood. So how can I make money from my woodwork hobby? If you want to build your own CNC machine and start creating beautiful, profitable woodwork today, follow the link below this video. It's easy. You can set your CNC machine to create anything that you want. If you want to build your own CNC machine will create a beautiful, profitable woodwork from wood within hours. Follow the link below this video. Once you follow this link below, you will see how easy and how enjoyable it can be to build your own CNC machine and start a business from your very own home.